What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite stylist, MarshalaSemone, and I am back with another video. Today I'm working with ALLOVE hair. I'm going to be installing a straight lace frontal wig, and right now I'm just going to show you guys everything that came with the wig in the box. So this is the wig before I did anything to it. It comes with combs on the inside and a strap in the back. And this is the lace. This is just normal lace. It's no HD or anything. So I'm going to start by bleaching the knots and cutting out the combs on the inside. And as you guys can see, the density is pretty full. It's a pretty good density. I love the hair. It's super silky. And it's a natural color. Like, it's not jet black or anything. So now let's get straight into the install. I'm going to start with bleaching the knots and then applying the makeup on the lace. And then I'm going to be showing you guys each step that I do in order to get a natural hairline. After applying the makeup on the lace, you can go ahead and position the wig exactly where you want it to lay. Allow your client to hold the lace on both sides while you cut around the ears. So now you want to start plucking. Right now the wig was pre-plucked, but I'm just going to thin out the hairline just a little bit more to make it look really natural. Now that I'm done customizing, I'm just going to pull that lace straight back, clean around the hairline, and get ready to lay the lace. I'm using Ghost Spun glue. I'm going to use 3 layers, and I wait till each layer dry clear before applying the next. So after the last layer is dry, you can go ahead and lay the lace directly where you applied the glue, using your comb and your fingers to make sure the lace is snug and in place. So after you're done laying the lace and everything is in place, make sure you blow dry exactly where the glue was, because you want it to be dry before removing the excess lace. So when I'm removing the lace, I cut directly closest to the hairline. Not into the hairline, but I cut close to the hairline that I created. And after I remove the lace, I'm just going to go through with my blow dryer again just to make sure everything is dry. So after everything is dry, I can go ahead and part off the baby hairs. After parting out the baby hairs, I'm going to go ahead and take my hot comb and lay the rest of the hair back. We are doing a middle part, so I'm going to go ahead and construct her part. I'm using the hot comb on her part because I want it to lay extremely flat. I want this install to be perfect and natural. And the biggest thing when it comes to a natural wig is flatness. So now that I'm done with that part, I'm going to tie down her edges with the elastic band just to give it that extra melt. My client wants her hair to be straight, so I'm going to go ahead and start the silk press on this wig, and I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I do that. You want to make sure you're using a heat protected spray when you're silk pressing the hair. Right now I'm using Behind the Zone Turn Up the Heat. You can get that at Sally's, and I'm using my H2 Pro flat irons, and I'm just going to go through and I'm going to silk the hair. You guys can see this hair straightens really well. I highly recommend getting this wig. The lace is super thin, it melted right into her skin, and the hair is A1. So after I'm done straightening the hair, doing the silk press on the hair, I'm going to remove the band and construct her baby hairs, and they're going to be flawless. As you guys can see, the band made the lace really melt into her skin, so it's really looking like scalp right now, and the wig is super flat. So I'm gonna cut her baby hairs with my normal scissors. I got them from the hair store. They're like $4, but they're kind of tiny and I like them and they're sharp. So I cut her baby hairs first, and now I'm gonna go in with my foam and style them. After styling the baby hairs with the foam, I'm going to go in with my wrap and wrap her edges down again and use the blow dryer to dry it. And after it's dry, I'm going to remove the wrap. So right now I'm just combing through the hair and showing you guys how nice, sleek, and silky it is. And I didn't even use any spritz or anything on it. And I usually use spritz when doing a silk press, or like soft spritz or any kind of holding spray when doing a silk press. But I didn't even use anything. I only used the BTZ. And now I'm going to remove the wrap, and you're going to see how well her baby hairs look and how well the lace melted into her skin. It's actually looking like her natural hair, y'all. I can't lie about it. So after going through my style, making sure everything is fleeky, I'm now able to do her part. I'm using my Sephora brow pencil for her part. I'm just going through with a shade that's closest to her skin color, and I'm just gonna fill in the line. As you guys can see, just by filling in the part, it made a huge difference on making the wig look natural. I really love it. The part is lengthy and it's super straight, so I love it. So here's my final look. Everything is exactly how I wanted it. The baby hairs are natural, the wig is flat, the part is lengthy, and the hair is silky. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you follow my hair page at MarshalaSemone Hair. Make sure you like this video, comment your thoughts, and share it with a friend. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to receive my updates.